Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Liana, and I'm back again to share with you another styling video. In today's episode, I wanted to share with you how to create a capsule wardrobe which is practical and suitable for any type of season as well as any occasion. I wanted to keep it simple and easy so that you guys could do it at home using basic pieces which you probably already have in your wardrobe. If not, then pieces that you can probably source yourselves quite easily. In Melbourne, we are transitioning into summer at the moment. So the weather has been a bit up and down with hot weather, cold weather, and a bit of everything with 4 seasons in one day, basically. So that is why I am creating today's episode. Now, normally a capsule wardrobe is used for if you travel often and you wanted to maximize your luggage space with key pieces which you'll probably be wearing quite often and mixing and matching for all types of occasions. But for those of you that aren't traveling because of coronavirus at the moment, it's a good way to have a good planning of what you want to wear for the week or for the month or whatnot. And often if you're short for time, then having a capsule wardrobe ready, it's good to kind of know what pieces you want to wear on the go if you're rushing in the morning or if you don't have time to properly plan outfits. So without further ado, I also wanted to do a special shout out mention to Luisa for providing me these gorgeous jewelry pieces that you see me wearing and styling with throughout this video today. They are super versatile, as you will soon see, because I've styled them with many outfits ranging from casual, semi-dressy, and all types of outfits and occasions. Super versatile and super easy, and might I say super on trend and chic. I've been wearing them almost every day this week, to work, to drinks with my girlfriends now that lockdown restrictions have lifted in Melbourne, as well as to bed and in the shower, and I can't get enough of it. Now, Luisa is a New York based jewelry label. They are ethical and fair trade and super transparent with their consumers with how they create their timeless pieces. What they use is raw materials and recycled gold and silver, as well as really high quality metals to create the jewelry pieces. Their pieces range from $39 and above with no luxury markups. The pieces that I'm wearing in today's episode are between $60 and $100, and it's super affordable. And definitely if you're after something of good quality, I would recommend checking out their website. Fortunately enough, they are doing a Black Friday sale at the moment. So if any of you guys are after Christmas gifts ideas, as well as maybe if you're wanting to treat yourself, definitely check out Luisa. I've provided the link down below, so go give them a squeeze. So without further ado, let's jump right into my styling video today, and I'll show you guys how I created all these different looks. So starting off the looks, we are going with this black simple dress. You can never go wrong with a little black dress. I feel like you can either dress it up or dress it down. This one, I purposely bought it at the op shop at a 1 size bigger than my usual size because I wanted it to be a bit more loose. And just by adding a belt around my waist, it makes it a little bit less casual. Changing it up a little if the weather's a bit cold, having a dress that's loose fitted like this, it's really good to pair with a skivvy or a turtleneck underneath, just to make it look a little bit different. And here I've just got a leather Italian bag which I bought at the op shop a while ago. I think I bought it for $20. The shoes that I'm wearing here is Rag and Bone, and it was $10 that I bought at Salvo's. Absolutely love them, super cute. And there goes my first all black outfit. Next, moving on to a workwear outfit, I've just paired the dress and the skivvy with a black blazer. I've bought my blazer here at the op shop. It's a vintage country road jacket and still super in trend at the moment. Next, moving on to one of my favorite looks, I've got a crop top here that I'm wearing, which is actually Bathers, which I bought from Faithful, the brand. They have the best bikini sets on there. Mind you guys, I definitely highly recommend you guys check them out. And I paired it here with one of my dad's old pants, which I upcycled from my previous video. If you haven't seen it, make sure you click on the link down below, which I've attached in the description. And as simple as adding some white sneakers, which are my favorite, is just a super comfortable outfit for any casual outing that you have happening. And also to complete the look, I've matched the outfit here with a simple minimalistic bag. I bought this Fendi bag from Rebag, which is an American luxury consignment store, and they are simply amazing. Rebag is a really great brand because it has a lot of different brands as well as different styles available for you to choose from. Another key piece to have handy in the wardrobe is a simple white shirt. It's super easy to style with and super nice for if you're wanting to go casual or formal. And I've just thrown it on top of this outfit just to give a bit more of a relaxed casual vibe. Another fun way to play around with white shirts is to play with layerings. There's so many different ways in which you can layer with a white shirt or even just shirts in general. I've just paired the crop top on top of the shirt as opposed to having it underneath. To add a bit more of a tomboy look, because I like dressing like a tomboy sometimes, to be honest. A bit more of a... I got this at... Where did I get it from? I got it from Salvos for like $5. Next, moving on, I figured I would incorporate a boyfriend tee because you can never go wrong with a plain simple t-shirt. So I like matching it here with my flared pants because it adds a bit of a tomboy vibe, and if I am feeling like I am in a lazy mood to dress up, this is a nice outfit to kind of wear on a blasé kind of day. To add a nice touch to the tomboy outfit look, I've just paired it here with my Prada bag, which I bought from Real, and again, it's another luxury consignment store that's based in New York. I really like this outfit because it's quite loose and casual, and it's very much my style. Next, I've got a sportswear look here matching my bikini top with the bike shorts which I recently bought. A nice way to dress up this athleisure look is just by adding the white shirt again and tying it up to add a bit more of a chic dressed up style look. I'm super happy with this white shirt. I recently bought it at Salvos for $3. Literally over the moon for how cheap it was that I bought it for, and it's really good fabric as well. Next, I'm going to reuse the boyfriend tee again and tuck it in the bike shorts. Super casual, not as exciting as the rest of the outfits, I guess. Here, I've just matched it with the black blazer again, and using a nice big belt, I'm just going to use it to cinch in and accentuate my waistline. Now, because I can't get enough of high-waisted garments, I've got my linen high-waisted witchery shorts, which I have here. Another piece which I bought at the op shop recently for like $4, absolute bargain. The outfit here might look a little bit plain, so I've just decided to jazz it up with the black blazer again and pairing it with my Italian vintage bag. Lastly, I find having not just a cute bottom skirt is handy for a capsule wardrobe for on nights when you want to go out to parties or to go out to a bit more of a dressy event, is also to have a nice cute top. And to finish off the look, I've just styled it here with my cute Prada bag, which I also purchased from Rebag. Definitely check out Rebag for those of you that haven't heard of them. They are the consignment store which I mentioned earlier, and they do really nice designer bags. For this next look, I'm just pairing this cute black halter neck top with some nice pants, which are kind of different to the pants that you saw before, in that they aren't flared and a bit more tight fitted. Hi guys, so that comes to the end of my styling video today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the episode today on how I styled the different looks as well as creating the capsule wardrobe. If you enjoyed watching it and felt inspired, make sure you click like and subscribe down below. Now, and don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. Their jewelry pieces are absolutely stunning and beautiful if you're after any new gift ideas for Christmas coming up, as well as treating yourself. Definitely click the link down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.